that oppression, yeah, the unlawful deprivation of one's rights under the United States Constitution, the unjust use of power or position in order to impose one's will upon another, yeah. Now, there's this problem with the opinion evidence, yeah. Evidence given by expert witnesses, such as a physician's testimony on what he thinks caused a death, or handwriting expert's testimony on whether a particular sample of script, yes, was written by a particular person. Ordinary witnesses are not usually permitted to give their opinions while testifying, yes, but are required to testify as to exactly what they saw or heard, yes. Now, I just want to reiterate the oppressiveness of the judicial system, yeah. hmm And then there's this thought of having a settlement conference setting hearing, yes, where my wife, in her expert opinion, said I was crazy. Oh! See, she witnessed at her own settlement conference setting hearing, yeah, when I was at the same location within those 7 days, the 7 calendar days, right, where she could have served me. Oh. Now, you would have thought that you would remove that disillusion of marriage. Mm-mm. But now I want to know all the expert witnesses. Yes. See, let's say you didn't have it at the court. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. I don't know. But how do you decide to bring in Mike Van Proyn and his expert opinion? Yes. I had lost it. He didn't mention that he turned the electricity off on me. No. There was no hot water for approximately 10 days. That his wife had cashed a check for me from my grandmother. Yes. Approximately 1 to 2 days before I had left that location. Yes. And that when I want to get a copy of it from her bank. Yeah! You just don't want me to find out. Now, there's been a lot of witnesses, yes, during these court trials. Yeah. Somebody said I was in Sequim, Washington when I wasn't. Then there was the crisis responder in Jefferson County. Yes. As in, you're going to continue to enforce court orders. Yes. Where someone other than myself was violating them. Oh. Now, this opinion, yes, it does, of the expert individuals of the state of Washington. Yeah. I'm bipolar. Pooh. Schizophrenic. Oh, persecutory delusional. Yes, he is. And for every time that any individual, yes, inclusive of the petitioner, was at any of the court cases, yes, her opinion of my mental health should not be admitted to the court. Now I'm going to sue you for this! Listening to the petitioner without jurisdiction of law. Yes. It's going to be one of those big lawsuits. I'm looking for $100 billion this morning. Yes, he is. And I'm going to want to know every individual that gave any opinion of myself, yes, without the jurisdiction of law. Yes. Now, your thought was you're going to continue to oppress me. Yes. You're going to kill me. Ouch. In fact, I would say when I woke up this morning, yes, I have never sweated more because of the use of technology. Yes. In my whole life. Now, I've known fevers that have broken when I had the flu. Yes. I woke up drenched! Now, somebody released all of my sweat glands. Yes. They happen to be in the hair follicles. Yes. And if you've ever seen myself naked, you'll see I have quite a bit of hair on my body right now. So for the idiots called deputies, ouch, Fox News, right now! Congratulations, Washington Nationals.